Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the updated process of changing your email address on Pinterest using your PC. It's quite straightforward, so let's get started. First, head over to Pinterest.com and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a Settings menu. In this menu, click on Settings. This will open up a range of options related to your account preferences and profile details. Next, you're going to want to find Account Management. Click on it. Here, you'll find all the details you can adjust related to your account. Now you should see the Email option, where your current email address is listed. Simply click on that, and you'll be able to change your email address. Enter the new email address you'd like to associate with your Pinterest account. Make sure it's an email you have access to, as Pinterest will send a verification link to this new address. Also, the email you enter must not have been previously used for a Pinterest account. Once you've entered your new email, click on Save. Pinterest will then send a confirmation email to your new email address. You'll need to click on the link in that email to verify the change. This is a security measure to ensure that you are the owner of the account and have access to the new email. Keep in mind that Pinterest sends a notification email to your old email address when you change it. This is another security measure to prevent unauthorized account takeovers. If you don't have access to your old email, you may need to contact Pinterest support to regain access to your account. You will have to verify the change using the original email. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email address on Pinterest. This new updated process is designed to be user-friendly, so you can easily manage your account details. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Pinterest tips and tricks.